What's up, guys? So today I'm going to be showing you how I tape the knob of my hockey stick. You don't have to do this way. I'm just throwing it out there how I do it. So next I'm going to show you the supplies that you need to do it. First, you're going to need scissors but if you can rip it, then you don't need them. Well, I use white tape, a Sharpie, and black grip tape. So next I'll be showing you, and a hockey stick. There. And later this week I'll be showing you how I tape the blade of my stick, because I just retaped it and I forgot to make a video on it. So next I'll show you how I tape the knob of my stick. Okay guys, so first what I'm going to do is I'm going to tape the white tape, and I'm going to take it. I use Halley's white tape. I'm going to take it, go to the top. I use the nub on this thing right there. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go around 6 times. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then I'm going to end it in the back. Right there. So then I'm going to cut it right there. Okay, so we have that, and then I'm going to go right here, and then just keep going down like this. Just keep going down. Yep, so I'm going to keep going down to about right here, this 0, right there. See it? So go keep going down to there. It doesn't have to be perfect, but with the blade, I really care about that. So we can get those nice burr downs. And I play center, so the position I play for my team, West Oak Hockey. Okay, so we're almost there. Okay, so we're there, and I just did once around the bottom. So we're at the 0 right there. See, so we end it in the back like always. Okay, so then we're gonna take the black grip tape. Where is it? Looking for the start. Okay, I found it. So we're gonna take it, start right there at the knob. We're gonna go around once. And then just keep going down all the way to the bottom. Keep it nice and tight. So I'm at the bottom now. I'm gonna zip it, and then I'm gonna take the white tape right here, and then I'm gonna go like this. If you can see right there, I'm gonna take it. I'm gonna do a wrap around the bottom right here. Do wrap right there. End it in the back. And then I'm going to cut it right there. Okay, so then I'm going to take the Sharpie, and then I'm going to go to the front, and then I'm going to write my number. My number is 10. See, so I wrote my number. And the reason I do this strand of white is so I'm center. So on the face-offs, I hold it like this. And so when after the face-off, when I transfer my hand up, I don't roll the grip tape up. It just helps with that, and so I can show so I know which one's my regular and my backup. So I'll write an R right here. So there. So there, that's just why I have the Sharpie, if you were wondering. And I don't have the Howie scissors, but Howie's, if you're watching this, hook me up with them. Hey guys, thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe. Comment who your favorite hockey player is, and yeah, see ya. Peace. And later next week, I'm going to be doing the blade of my stick when it's all beat up. So, see ya.